Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the pump use feature on a Calsense CS3000 controller. There's a couple of things that should be known before we get into the setup. You have to have a conventional wired POC kit installed on the controller to use this feature. And B, your pump has to be wired to the controller, to the pump terminal on the controller, so that the controller can activate the pump through the pump relay. Now, not all pumps require this feature. Most pumps nowadays are pressure flow activated, which means they sense when water or pressure drops or is needed and activate on their own. For older pumps or pumps that are specifically designed to require an outside signal to start, you would use this pump feature. So the first thing we're going to do is go down to POCs and then over to flow meters and master valves and make sure that our POC kit is installed. And we do see a terminal strip A. If you see anything that starts terminal strip, that means that a POC kit is installed on that controller. The A designates which controller it's installed on. In this case, we only have one controller, so there is only controller A. If you had multiple controllers on this project, you'd see a terminal strip A, terminal strip B, terminal strip C, and you have to know which controller the pump is actually wired to and set that POC up accordingly. Now, to use the pump feature, we want to scroll over and down to pump wired to pump terminal, and we want to change this setting to yes. Once we do, when we select the back button, you'll see that the pump use is now shown on the menu. So you're going to go down and select pump use, and then you're going to select which of the programs you want to use the pump. In this case, the turf programs have already been selected, which is a fairly normal setting, but maybe all you need is the pump to come on during rotor operation. And so you see we have two station groups that are rotors, part circle rotors and full circle rotors, but the pump is also selected to go on for sprays, and that may not be needed. So all you need to do is use the arrows to highlight the appropriate station group, and then the plus or minus buttons to change it from no to yes or yes to no. Once you have all these set, you should be good to go. The last thing you always want to do is press the back button until you exit that screen so that your settings take effect. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.